Hello, this is exhibition. I am going to talk about the career I am studying, which is industrial engineer. My present National Technological Institute of Mexico, Purepecha Engineer Technological Institute, Engineer in Industrial Engineer, English Novel 3, Teacher Johnny Campos, 60th semester, present Romero Cortés, Guadalupe Montserrat. Date Sunday, June 2022. Industrial engineer is a career that deals with the optimization of the use of human, technical, and information resources and the optimal holding and management of the transformational system of worlds and service of company. At the Chan Institute, I study industrial engineer and we have 10 subjects in mathematics, information technology, humans, productivity, business, and maintenance. In the semester, I am currently in my favorite subject is maintenance management because we go the industrial laboratory and use and mind the machines soon as the light stopping machine it's they are they are had a lot of fun putting the theory into practice. Here he inserts some photos of my favorite subject. This is rondanas. This is marching.